Hey guys, Howdy Game here. So I'm going to be going back over this thing, the sharpening stones. If you haven't seen my last video, you should see it. Although, if you're watching this video before you watch the other video, I'm going to warn you, and I forgot to warn you in the other video, there may be some very, very loud music towards the end. So anyway, today I'm just going to be sharpening this hatchet. It's already sharp, but I think I can get it sharper. Like in the last video you've seen, it can cut paper okay. I mean, the blade's pretty nice, although I got some dinks over here and maybe a dink or two. You have 1 and 2, I think you can see that right here. So what I'm going to do is not use the fine one. I'm going to use this to start off, and this is going to be in the form of a time lapse. So I'm just going to sharpen this. Okay, well, that was pretty much it. It's nice and sharp. As you can see at the end, I kind of showed you, the dings with the top are now way less noticeable. I mean, you can still see it, but if you were just chopping a piece of wood, you wouldn't see it. Yep, that's a nice blade. Now, if you guys are wondering why I didn't sharpen this side, that's because, well, first, I'm right-handed, and it's really much easier to do everything with your right hand, so doing this motion is going to be a lot easier than me using my left hand doing this motion. Now, since my left hand is a little shakier than my right hand, it's going to be a bad side on how I sharpened it, because you have to keep it at a very precise angle. I have to keep it at this same angle right here until I'm done sharpening. And if I change from this angle to this angle to that angle to this angle, or just keep moving it around, I'm not going to end up having a straight blade here. As you can see, that's a triangle at the top. It's going to be like, it's not even going to be a triangle. It's going to be a triangle with like really round sides, because I'm sharpening at all angles, basically doing this like I was when stropping, and that makes it round, and that's not good for chopping because that adds more resistance or friction or surface area. So keeping steady angle is good. Good for the wood. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the last video. I must warn you though, if you do, there's going to be very, very loud music, so more towards the end of the video, I would turn down your volume, or really just not listen at all, because even with the lowest volume, you're going to hear it pretty loud. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, man, that took forever.